Hello everyone, Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to go ahead and create a very fun and bold look. I decided to use the Morphe James Charles palette for this look, which is currently on sale. Hopefully you guys do have it already in your collection. If not, it's definitely bang for your buck right now. So if that is something you're interested in, please keep on watching.
Alright you guys, welcome back. So today we're going to go ahead and start out with our e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pomade. I'm going to go ahead and outline my brows using the Morphe brow brush, and then I'm going to slowly fill that in and create a shape. Today, to color my brows again, I'm taking e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer palette in medium. I'm going to take the first shade from this palette to color my brows. I will now be taking my Real Technique concealer brush. I love using this to blend out my concealer after I am done doing my brows. It really softens the edges. To moisturize my face, taking Sephora moisturizer, I'm going to go and apply that all over my face. For the primer, taking a Smashbox face primer sample, I'm going to go and apply that pretty much near my T-zone and then spread it slowly out. For the foundation, taking Josie Maran Illuminizer as well as Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I'm going to go ahead and mix the two together and apply that all over my face with the Beauty Blender. For cream contour, today I'm taking Tarte Cosmetics contour stick. I'm going to go ahead and contour, and also would be applying that towards my jawline as well, because this foundation is a little bit more lighter side of my skin tone, so we're going to make sure that we bring a little bit extra color. I'm going to go and take my e.l.f. Cosmetics angled brush to blend the contour into my foundation. To highlight today, I will be taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. The shade I am using today is Neutralizer. I absolutely love this concealer. It is a very, very pigmented and full on coverage as well as affordable. I will then blend it out with the help of Beauty Blender. To set my concealer and highlight, I will be taking RCMA powder. However, I chose to replace the jar that it comes in, which is very inconvenient. I chose to use one of these jars that I recycled, and it is very more convenient to use, and I feel like I reach for it more often. To set my rest of the face, I will be taking NYX Cosmetics Stay Matte But Not Flat Foundation Powder in Warm Beige. I absolutely love this. It has a little sheen to it, so it does not make you look cakey and gives you a very natural look. I will take that onto a Morphe foundation brush and I'll apply that all over my face. For contour, I am taking Profusion Contour Palette today. The lightest shade, I'm using that as a bronzer. And the next two shade I will be using as a contour to contour my cheekbones. Moving on to the lightest shade from this palette, I'm going to use that to highlight my under eyes and bridge up my nose. For the blush, I am taking this Crown Pro palette. I'm taking this peachy shade from this, which is a very beautiful color. As you can see, not only that it gave me the color, the right amount of color, but also gave me a little sheen to it, which I absolutely love in any product because it makes you look very natural. Moving on to my Morphe James Charles palette, I will be taking a blending brush like so and taking that very light pink shade and putting that as our base. I will now be taking a pointed blending brush, and I'm going to take the second shade and apply that into my crease. I will now be taking a natural hair blending brush like this one, and I'm going to blend the edges out. For some reason, I was struggling with blending the edges. I ended up just adding some more product to this brush to soften the edges if not blended. Alright you guys, moving on to this very deep purple shade onto the same pointed brush we used earlier. I'm going to go ahead and just pack that towards the outer corner as well as the crease. Taking a flat shading brush, I'm going to go ahead and take this metallic purple color. I'm going to go ahead and apply that towards the inner corner, and I'm going to apply it in a way that it looks like a cut crease. Moving on to this natural shade, I will be taking that onto a flat shading brush for our base for the lower lash line. taking this pretty lavender color onto the pointed brush, I'm going to go and apply that to the outer lower lash line. I will then be taking the deeper purple color to pack it onto the outer corner for some more depth. I am now taking Kat 1D palette. I am going to take the purple metallic-y shade from this first, then I will be taking the one pink sapphire and then apply that right into the center of the inner corner highlight. I am moving back to the Crown Brushes blush palette, taking the highlight from it to highlight my brow bone. To line my eyes, I am taking Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay Liner today. To define my line, I am taking Kat 1D Tattoo Liner. For my waterline, I am taking Urban Decay 24/7 shade in purple and apply that. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using coconut water. I purchased this at TJ Maxx. I will now be applying L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara to my lashes. For the falsies, I will be taking Allure brand number 202, and I'm going to go ahead and apply them. For the lips, I chose to use Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Provocateur today. For the highlight, I will be taking Tarte Cosmetics Tarteist Glow Highlight, and I pretty much mixed all 4 of these shades together to create this glow effect.
Alright you guys, so this right here is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and had as much as fun as I did creating it for you guys. Give me a thumbs up to let me know, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye bye.